For this tutorial video, this is a very specific problem that only people who use Qualtrics, so this is Qualtrics over here, will have experienced, and boy is it annoying, but I am so delighted I found a solution. Basically, there are situations where I have a survey, I need to send it to somebody, and I want to send it in Word, but what happens is when you go to export this, so this is the new interface for Qualtrics as of 2021, like April 2021, you go down to Tools, Export, Import, Export, and then Export Survey to Word. It gives you all these options. You could go through and toy around with those, but it doesn't really matter. You can leave them as the default for what I'm about to show you because this will solve your problem. So I'm going to go ahead and export this. Right here, again, doesn't really matter what you call it. I've got a version here because I just did this and I solved it, but I'm going to go ahead and just overwrite the one that I have. Doesn't really matter. All right, so I'm going to replace that. Then you can go ahead and open it. So I'm going to open that file. And what you'll see, this is LibreOffice, because LibreOffice is obviously far superior to Microsoft Office, and that's what I use on my Linux operating system. But when you open this file, right down here in the corner, and I'll zoom in on this, it's 467 pages long, which is absolutely insane. There is no reason this document needs to be that long. The survey, yeah, it has like 60 questions or something, but it should be about 30 pages. And if I print it as just a PDF, it comes out at like 31 pages. But you'll see that there are, the way that this is formatted, and I get it, there's like all sorts of formatting for the website, and that's fine. But it obviously does not export for a Word file in any meaningful way. Lots of empty spaces, just really, really problematic. So I needed a way to clean this up, solve this problem, because I keep sending Word versions to people so they can edit it and send me feedback. Couple of things that you can do real quick, and then I'll just show you, like, here's the solution. So first, if I just switch my view from normal, which is kind of word processing, to web, everything looks great, right? And it drops to relatively few pages. So if I scroll down here, or of course just one, but everything is formatted beautifully. And of course that's because it's formatted for the web. So then I had an idea, and here's how you solve this problem. I just went ahead, that's Control A, selected everything in here, then Control C to copy everything in there, created a new text document, and then because it's LibreOffice, it has this beautiful option, Control-Shift-V, and that gives me my paste special command. If I choose rich text formatting, all of that pipe text that is built into the survey is going to disappear, and watch what happens. I hit OK. It will paste everything in, and look at how many pages I'm at. I'm at 31 pages, and everything is beautifully formatted. It looks exactly how I want it to look for a survey in Microsoft Word. No having to go through 467 pages and delete specific lines, things like that. Everything is actually exactly where I want it to be. So that is the solution for getting rid of all of that crazy formatting when you've got a Qualtrics survey that you want to export to Word. Super simple solution. Open it in LibreOffice, switch to your web view, right? So right there, copy it and paste it special. Use your paste special as rich text formatting, and you will have a clean, beautiful document with everything that you need.